Hi, it's David with Anchors Up. I wanted to take a moment here and do a quick through hole introduction and discussion, proper way for through holes to be assembled on a boat. The first part you have to have is the physical through hole, which is the mushroom device with the threads on it. Next, what you need is something called a backing block. You can have these made out of wood and be fiberglass, or use these composites that are built by Graco. Highly suggest these, very reliable. The third piece would be what's called a seacock. Many of you probably have just a valve in line with your through holes, and those are really dangerous because you're putting all of the force and the pressure directly on the through hole as you're exercising the valve. That causes a weakened through hole and is notorious for causing leaks and, for that matter, sunken boats. So anytime you're looking at a through hole, always make sure that you're getting the through hole mushroom device, the seacock, and the backing plate in order to ensure that your boat is going to be properly equipped and safe. Yes, it costs a little more money, but your safety and your life is worth way more than the additional cost of a few extra pieces of hardware. Give us a call if you have any questions. We stock through hole assemblies. We perform this work here on our yard. We're always here to help and to assist. We want you to have a safe and reliable boating experience. Give us a call if you have questions, 310-942-2628. And I personally can be reached at extension 201. Again, that's 310-942-2628. We really appreciate you tuning in, and stay tuned for more videos.